Hello student, in this video, we'll try to understand the operator and its precedence with reference to comma and assignment operator. I have declared int a, and when I say a equal to 1, 2, 3, you may wonder what value gets stored into a. Understand, assignment operator has higher precedence than comma operator. And because of that, when you write a equal to 1, 2, 3, first it will read a equal to 1 and value of 1 gets stored into a because assignment operator has higher precedence than comma. Now the same thing will change if you put parenthesis, which means, let's say the next example, parenthesize your term will change the precedence of comma, which means in this example, I have declared int a equal to 1, 2, 3, which I have given a parenthesis. So as we know the basic rule, the moment I put parenthesis, the precedence of this side will increase. And now comma operator read left to right. So how it will read 1, 2, 3. So finally it is reading value 3. And then assignment operator will apply. So value of 3 gets stored into variable a. Thank you.